This video is going to concern us with installing PopTop actuators to Erie zone valves. This instruction bulletin shows the layout of piping, in which we have some precautions and deflection and how you would mount that. Note all the notes, cautions, and wiring and electrical risks by wiring this up. And lastly, how the actuator is installed. When we look at the VT or VM valve, looking at the bottom, we're able to see and cut out the paddle, in which at the top we want to make sure that the flat on the shaft there is facing in the direction of the flow. The actuator itself has two holes, one the guide and the larger one for the valve. That manual lever is difficult to pull, but pulling it tensely over to the detent and pushing it down there will leave it there. Now you're going to be able to insert the actuator into the valve. The reason I got the name PopTop is because when it's installed, it makes a popping noise when it clicks. Now, in order to initiate the actuator so it works properly on the valve, we pull the lever up so it manually goes back. It'll spring back slowly. At this point, it's going to be free moving, so don't be concerned. Now, to take it off, we just move the lever back to that detent, and we make sure we push it down so it stays there. And notice the manual release lever underneath there. We're going to hit and click that over, and it'll separate both the actuator and valve.